Hello, how you doing? Good, good. Ah, good morning. How you doing this morning?
Oh, not too bad. And you?
Excellent. On my side, yeah.
Yep.
You've been setting up here a long time, all season long.
No,
Oh,
once or twice a month.
okay. I see. So you specialize in Christmas stuff.
Well, I'm selling my house, so I'm downsizing. I used to decorate every room in my house: the
Oh,
bedrooms, the
okay.
kitchen, the dining room, the bathroom,
Yeah.
living room. and I'm going to an apartment, so
Oh yeah, yes.
have to downsize and
Yeah.
keep what I really want to put out.
Uh-huh. So why you downsizing? You experience a loss?
I have cancer.
Huh?
I have cancer. Getting
Oh,
harder to maintain a house
maintain
in a
a
yard.
house. Oh, okay. Uh-huh. So you get rid of the tools and stuff like that?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
like most of that's already gone.
All right. To
When my
tools.
neighbors found out, I was, oh, can we get this with it?
That's something I would be interested in. Tools. I'm a
I might
construct.
find some more. I don't know.
I'm a construction guy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Uh, well, you have a good one.
You too.
All right.
Enjoy the day.
All right.
I'm in Grafton. Okay, okay.
Bush got in in '88.
But some general was asked, why don't you allow more reporting? Hey, how are you? Famous line, because then you were on our side, World War II. The reporters were on our side. Vamos a ver, I want to make use of
A lot of people.
Welcome, thank you. You too, thanks. Would you like a little bag for that?
Yeah.
Me?
How you doing, man?
Uh,
Behave yourself. Behave yourself. Behave yourself.
You take a couple of seconds just to check it in real life.
You know what? There's stuff I didn't see. I was over here.
You wasn't looking. I looked quick.
I wasn't looking.
Yeah, maybe this time.
Hey, I'm a chef. Hey, on the grill though, on the grill, outside, not inside. Oh yeah. Hey, throw it on the grill. It's all cold. You need help? Sir, you need help? Ah, no, you do, right? You do. Okay, my friend.
I'm not kidding you, 30 companies.
That was out of good jail.
Well, this fucking woman is
Oh yeah, that's why he gets it back a lot, and he gets returned. So that's why. It's where it goes bad. I want to go once like him, you know, but I still have some stuff. Oh yeah.
Good, good.
Yeah.
Who is the attorney? You is the attorney or your son?
My nephew,
Oh, okay.
my nephew, and my niece work in that's office.
Oh, okay. A family affair. It's a family affair.
Yeah.
Uh,
Seguro aqui? Seguro aqui? Seguro aqui. Não, não, só na frente. Eu tô com bola, vou dar lá.
hey, how you doing today? Good, 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 good. How is business? You look bored, man. You look like you need some activities. Ah, yeah.
Just what I have.
You have that's is that chocolate?
Chocolate, yeah.
Oh, okay.
So, you know, it's a slow mover.
Yeah,
It's a
so
slow mover, you know.
yeah,
But it is what it is.
yeah. Hang in there, hang in there.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. You live around here?
Worcester.
Worcester, okay, just up the road.
Yep.
Yeah.
Not too bad.
You been setting up here a lot?
I set up a few times a year.
First,
Yeah,
okay.
a few times a year.
All right.
Uh, it's all right. You know,
Yeah.
the,
You go to other flea markets?
Hubbardston's good.
Yeah, that's a big, huge,
Big.
yeah, huge flea market. I go there sometimes.
More foot traffic.
Yeah, definitely. More vendors, more visitors, more shoppers.
If you can stand out, you do well.
Yeah,
If you bring the same stuff as everybody else,
yeah,
you're just gonna mix in.
yeah. Too much competition.
That's right.
Yeah,
That's right. So you want to kind of stand out.
yeah.
I like that one, but it's just a little more further.
It's
And
far.
they make you wait
Uh,
at 6 in the morning to open up.
yeah,
You know, it's a little bit more challenging.
yeah. But it's more shoppers. You like it to make more money, you know. Yeah.
And it seems like they're a little bit more focused. Those people know what they want to spend and they'll spend it.
Right,
Down
right.
here, it's more of a back and
Yeah,
forth.
yeah. Yeah, you don't have time for that, you know.
Yeah, it's part of the game, but you know,
Yeah.
sometimes it's too much.
Yeah.
Como miran que no hay otro lado, ya se pasa.
He's 69 years old now.
Right now they're very expensive. He had to get sober. He still goes to meetings. He's a genuine fighter.
Yeah. Oh, no, there's no way. They blocked them. All right.
I think if we just go down.
All right. Next to the Jeep.
Vamos a ver.
Hello, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I thank you guys, all of you, for your support, for subscribing to my channel, for liking, for sharing, and doing all the good stuff. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for your support. Thanks for subscribing and liking and sharing. I, I can't thank you guys enough for your support. Continue to like, share, subscribe, and give the thumbs up. Share my videos with your friends, your relatives, your co-workers, everyone you come in contact with. I'm your friend David, and I'm at the Grafton, Massachusetts Flea Market. It's fall around here. It's a beautiful fall day. So come along with me as I show you the scenes, the activities inside this flea market. Enjoy.
Yeah. Yeah. No. Don't worry about it. I like
How are you? There. And those, you know what? These stores. Even Walmart has something like this. You make it what? So big it. Oh, get it. Is it a large? Yeah. We'll try it on.
I know it's cute. Wow.
So you get, I try it on.
Ah.
Oh yeah.
Well, he's got one. Go get it.
Tried all of it. And he said
Someone grabbed it.
I'll tell you, they're good and warm. Oh, I know. And it's a new jacket. Well, give you some weight if it don't.
I got tools. I'm just gonna have my mechanic tools and go to people's houses. There you go. Portable garage. That's an idea. I'd rather do that than this. All right, here you. I just hate loading stuff up. Oh, look at the horses. Yeah. Oh, yeah. How you doing? How you doing? You want to buy this? That's an antique. Yeah. Some guy told me it was like, if you look this up, it's like $1,500. I just want my money back, $20. You look it up on the internet, they're selling it. I don't know. I don't have no use. I don't have the real thing. I don't have no use for that. Yeah, you better off sell it to a movie guys. Sell it to Hollywood guys. You cool?
Yeah, I was here since 7.
Huh?
I was here at 7 o'clock.
Oh, okay.
So
Yeah.
my sneakers are wet because
Maybe.
it's like the material. No, it's good.
I don't think it's that cold. The weather
No,
is good.
it was worse Sunday ago.
Yeah.
But now, since
Yeah.
I was here since 7,
Oh, okay.
you know.
Hello, guys. I'm at Grafton Flea Market today. I'm taking in the scenes, the activities. There's lots of shoppers out here today. There's lots of vendors. They are taking in the scenery. Soon this flea market will be closed, and They'll be closed for next year. So they are doing the last hooray of shopping and vending. Thanks again for subscribing, for sharing, for liking my videos. Thanks to all my friends. Thanks to all my subscribers, my supporters. Continue to support me and let us grow together. Those of you who will discover me in the future, continue to like, share my videos, and continue to come back to my videos again and again. And thanks for discovering me and continue to share me and advertise me broadly, extensively. Yeah, in the north central Massachusetts town of Grafton. It's a flea market that I frequented many times. I do ministry here for many years, over 10 years. I've been coming here and doing ministry. So I'm happy to share it with you guys. This beautiful scenic setting in the spring, summer. It's lush green. But now the foliage, the leaves are all dried and fall on the ground. But in the bloom, in the full bloom of the foliage, it's beautiful. The yellows, the oranges, the reds, the pink, the mauve. It's beautiful when it's in full bloom. That is the foliage.
It's fine when spots are full. That was like signature shit. Yeah. I don't know. It's a specialty.
Give me the jacket.
$0. That's cool. That's cool, right? Now, check with the little phone. I think that's actually my number. See if it does or doesn't, because some of my other ones do. And I never used it. And that had a different set, so I took it off. Now she got that set. But hey, at least somebody gets to enjoy it. All I was doing is just a little. Yeah, the other.
How you doing today? Excellent.
You know what this is? 6 feet.
That's only your voice. They don't know, but you know what I mean?
I don't.
Have a good day.
Hey, thank you. What's your name again? I met you before, maybe.
Ezra.
I meet you before?
No, this is my first time here.
First time here? Oh. You got a gun license? Hey, you got a gun license? I'm talking to you.
You're a twin,
I'm talking to you. All right, put it down then. You got money? You got money? Then put it down. You don't got money? Put it down. You ain't gonna buy it? Put it down. No.
It's all blur. I'm starting to think that it might get cold. 3 months stuff is coming.
Hello, guys. It, it was a pleasure viewing filming this video, and I'm sure you guys gonna enjoy it. It's a very popular, bustling flea market in the central Massachusetts area. So I'm gonna wrap up this video. Thanks, guys, for coming along with me, and continue to like, share, subscribe, doing all the good stuff. Advertise me with your friends, with your relatives, your co-workers, all your acquaintances. Share me widely, broadly. Share me extensively. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Yeah. How you doing? Good, good. Yeah, business. So,
Yeah,
you break even a little bit.
I make us some money.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Hey, how you doing, man? My friend. Hello. Hello.
Hey, you being good?
I'm trying to get your attention.
You being good?
Yes, man. I've been behaving myself. How you doing, my friend?
Another day.
Another day, huh? All right.
Okay.
Huh?
Have you prayed to Israel yet?
Well, I pray for everybody, not for Israel alone, for the Palestinians. They need prayer also.
Okay, both of them.
Huh?
Both of them.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
You, you know what Biden's going to do?
I don't know. I don't care about politics.
Okay, Biden's going to fill up the oil, the strategic reserve,
Well,
with Iranian oil.
yeah, I don't care about that. You know,
No, no, no.
I'm not a politician. You know.
No, 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 no.
Yeah,
They got to have money to keep fighting.
yeah.
How do
Yeah,
they fight?
have that conversation with somebody else. You know, I'm not into politics.
No, no. It's
You,
money.
you have a great day.
It's money.
Yes.
Right. Well, that's where Alex who sometimes comes. He's like, "Oh, I'll put baby first." That's all changed too. You know, all the baby furniture and all that. Yeah, exactly. I am too. Plus, yes. Yeah.
Have a great day, guys, and see you guys soon in another high quality video. Continue to subscribe, and share. Give the thumbs up, like, leave your comments, leave your suggestions. They're all welcome and appreciated. When I grow, you grow. Continue to support me, and I'll bring you quality videos in life, activities, places, things, flea market scene like this all around New England, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Maine, Vermont, the state of Vermont, New Hampshire. So I solicit your support going forward. Thanks a lot, guys, and have a great day. It's been a pleasure filming this video in Grafton, Massachusetts today. I thank all of you. Bye now.